Is this a problem for your chickens? Well, today maybe I have a solution for that. I'm going to be installing a shade sail for my chickens on the Ultimate Chicken Coop. All right, we're going to be modifying the Ultimate Chicken Coop again today. It doesn't provide enough shade so the chickens can forage out in the evening or in the afternoon when during the sun's out. So I'm going to attach these 4 anchor points to the 4 sides of the coop. Probably only going to use 2 of them. And I don't know if you can hear it, but I think that's my wife singing in the stable while she's over there cleaning. Anyhow, I got these from Harbor Freight for $2.99, and I got them. I think I got them for on sale 30% off, so they're pretty cheap. And then I'm probably just going to use for stakes in the corners, just some simple rebar. However, if I need to get them tighter or whatever, you can put some turnbuckles in the corners and tighten those up, or I got some old ratchet straps. I may stick that on and use that to tension up the shade sail. So without further ado, let's get started and I'll see if I can install these things right quick. All right, trust the old DeWalt drill or impact driver, and this is how that D-ring thing works. Just kind of, it's got a fastener that lays over top of it, and I'm going to attach it with a couple of lag bolts. All right, simple enough on that one. Let's go do the other one. All right, going to install the other one now. All right, nice securing point. So let's see about setting up some sail. All right, I got the 16 by 16 by 16 size. That should fit here in my area. I just got it on Amazon. I'll try to leave a link down in the description. I got the cheap stuff, so I don't know how it's going to hold up. So I'll give a report back later period of time and let you know how it does. But right now, we're going to give it a try. And it comes in with some string here. Let's see how long it is. About 4 feet long. So we got 3 of them. I think I'm only going to use one. It's going to unravel. They don't have any kind of knots in the end of it. So I'm going to go and put a knot here so it doesn't unravel. Probably should burn it, but maybe I'll do that later. I don't have a lighter out here. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and just tie a knot in here. Attached to this end. This end is going to go up in the coop. I should have actually done a square knot, did I? No, but close enough. Oop. Yeah, see how I was saying it's unraveling? I'm going to put a knot in there so it won't unravel. All right, since I'm going to be taking this down quite often, I'm just going to probably put a slip knot up here. My wife's so much better at Donna's so much better at doing knots than I am. Oh. I guess I should figure out my knots a little better. All right, that's somewhat of a slip knot. Well, let's go on and stake this out here somewhere, see how it looks. All righty, I'm going to get it spread out here. Get a whammer, and what I do? There's my rebar. I should probably use some tent stakes. I actually had some rebar that was made in the U. I can't find it. I don't feel like bending this, but we'll just go on and get some tension on it out here. All right, that's some pretty good tension. I don't know if I'm being filmed. I'll come over there and check in a second. That should be quick and easy on that. Grab the other rebar. This rusty rebar is hard to see. And let's just go on. I think I might be off camera there. See if we can get some good tension in a couple of different directions here. Yeah, it looks like I'm still on camera. All right. Well, sun would go behind the shade right about the cloud right about then, but that does look like it helped out some. Let's go set up the other one. All right. This is what I was talking about, the shade cells, what the package it comes in. And there's some instructions right there on what you can do, but kind of self-explanatory what you want to do. I'm going to open this up right quick. I'll probably speed this section up here in a second. There's some more of that rope again. I'll do the same thing. I guess I could just use one of the other ones. Throw that over there. Oh, well, it looks like they partially melted this one. Yeah, they did a little bit better job on this one than did the other one. It's got a little bit of melt on it, but I'm still going and put a little knot at the end of it. We'll flip this out here. And looks like there's a corner. I don't think it matters since we're at 16 by 16. Going to stick this on here right quick. See if I can tie a square knot. All right. See if I can, whoops. Do a slip knot of some sort. I know Donna's gonna come out here and drop at me later like, what the heck were you doing? But I don't know. I wasn't ever a Boy Scout. There we go. Okay. Huh. Seems like it comes out further for some reason. I don't know if I'm still on camera. I'm going to stick this thing down so I get a little tension on it. All right. And oh, not good if you back into the electric fence. By the way, this electric fence is super hot. I've got it hooked into my cattle fence. It's not on a solar charger or anything. It's a full electricity one. And let's see what we got. So that thing will zap you. All right. Oh yeah, there's some shade. Well, that wasn't too hard. Hopefully it's not going to be too hard when I get ready to move this thing, because I move this thing quite often, give the chickens a fresh area to be in. If when I redo it, I'll probably reposition them just a little bit so it's more centered up, but this is my first time putting them up. Pretty simple. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, please put them down below. Even if there are negative comments, it helps out the algorithm. So as always, thank you for watching.